Welcome to another episode of Kayaking Dominicana with your host, Dennis Martinez. So we're here in Montecristi today, and we're going to head and kayak to around El Morro and to Isla La Cabra, that island you see over there, where we're going to actually camp out. So we brought our equipment, we brought everything that we need, and we're going to camp out tonight. So our objectives are in Montecristi, which is at the northwest corner of Dominican Republic. This is about 4.5-hour drive from the capital. Kayak, they can rent the kayaks here. So we're gonna hit the water from La Playita. This is fairly close to El Morro, but we don't have no choice. There's a lot of wind. These winds and waves are punishing today. We gotta get the back. This is as far as I'm making it today. And no, I'm not taking out the drone from this kayak today. Look at this shit. Alright, so we're gonna kayak on to that island I told you about. That's Isla La Cabra. Is that island over there? Right, folks, we're in Isla La Cabra. Listen, that paddling was brutal from that short distance you see there. That was brutal. So this is not for beginners at all. Listen, I had to put a lot of shoulder to get to this little island. But we're here. Of course we are. So Isla La Cabra has bathrooms or outhouses. Who knew? So I'm here on top of some type of lighthouse in Isla La Cabra. That what you see back there is El Morro. So this is like some sort of like salt mine. If you decide to come on your own, El Morro, you can drive up there, and they have an observatory up there. You do have to pay like the park rangers, but it's worth it. So look at the water today in comparison to how it was yesterday. No wind. Now is when you kayak. Okay guys, so we made it. So when it comes to the difficulty, it depends, because during the day, the wind and the waves will make it extremely hard. Now, coming back was fairly light. is calm, no struggle. When it comes to the accessibility, as you can see, I'm right next to the shore on my little drop-down vehicle, so that's not an issue coming here. Level of beauty is high. This thing is amazing, especially in the morning. Once again, thank you for tuning in Kayaking Dominicana with your host, Dennis Martinez. It's been fun. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit like, make sure you share, make sure you hit that little bell so that you can get the notifications for when we publish. I'm going to try and publish things quickly since I have a lot of material and a lot of things to show you.